हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज एसके यादव, पीजीटी मैथ्स के। आज हम इस वीडियो में क्लास 10th का कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री जो टॉप चैप्टर है 7th उसको हम डिस्कस करेंगे। इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला एंड सेक्शन फॉर्मूला। डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला बिफोर वी डिस्कसिंग सेक्शन डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला, you already studied that a Cartesian plane and abscissa of a point, ordinate of a point, that is coordinate of point. What is abscissa, what is ordinate, you have discussed in class 9. Abscissa means distance on x-axis, ordinate means distance on y-axis. Suppose that this point is p, x, y, x is abscissa and y is ordinate. X means distance on the x-axis, that is this distance, and y means distance on the y-axis, that means this is distance y. So this abscissa and ordinate you already studied in class 9. In this chapter or in this topic we will discuss about distance formula, distance between 2 points. So what is distance between 2 points? So distance formula, what is distance formula? For this we will discuss about this diagram. Let 2 points P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. P is x1 y1, so this distance is x1 and this distance is y1. Similarly Q is x2 y2, so this distance is x2 and this distance is y2. x2, this distance is x2 and this distance is x1, so remaining this distance will be x2 minus x1. Similarly, this is x2 minus x1, so this is also x2 minus x1. Distance PR. Similarly, this distance is y1, y1, y1. This is also y1, and overall this distance is y2. So remaining QR is y2 minus y1. So in diagram PQR, in triangle PQR, since PQR is a right angle triangle. PQR is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, we know that PQ square equal PR square plus RQ square. PQ square equals to PR. PR means x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 square plus RQ. RQ means y2 minus y1 square. PQ square equals to PR square plus RQ square. PR is x2 minus x1. So PQ square equal x2 minus x1 square plus RQ. RQ means y2 minus y1 whole square. So PQ equals to, that is distance between 2 points P and Q is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This is called distance formula between 2 points P and Q. x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This can be written also root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is also distance formula between 2 points. So for find the distance between 2 points, any given 2 points, we will use PQ equals to root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now distance from the origin to a point, distance from the origin to a point P. Origin is, we know that origin is 0, 0, and suppose that P is xy. So distance from the origin, it will come by Pythagoras theorem. We can find also by Pythagoras theorem. This is x, this is y. So this by Pythagoras theorem we get root x square plus y square. And by this formula, OQ, OP, O to P, OP equals to under root x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square. So OP is root x square plus y square. OP is root x square plus y square. ये जो हमने फाइंड किया वो इस फॉर्मूले से फाइंड किया, और अगर आप बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम भी यूज करेंगे तो भी हम डायरेक्ट इसको रूट x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर फाइंड कर सकते हैं. So now we will discuss some example for this distance formula. First example is do the points 3, 2, -2, -3 and 2, 3 form a triangle. तो आपको 3 पॉइंट्स गिवन है. फर्स्ट पॉइंट A is 3, 2, B is -2, -3 and C is 2, 3. और आपको चेक करना है कि ये एक ट्राइंगल को फॉर्म कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो ट्राइंगल को फॉर्म करने का मीनिंग आपको डिस्टेंस फाइंड करनी है ए बी सी। लेट वी फाइंड ए बी बाय डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला रूट this is our x1 y1, this is our x2 y2, so by distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, so this become minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 whole square minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 whole square, which is 25 plus 25, it means root 50 or root 2 into 25, which is 5 root 2. So AB distance is 5 root 2. Similarly, we will find AC distance, BC distance BC, B to D, C. BC equal, in this case, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So BC becomes x2 minus x1, 2 minus 2, that is plus 2 whole square, 3 minus 3, that is plus 3 whole square, equals to 2 plus 2 4, 4 square is 16, 3 plus 3 6, 6 square is 36. So 16 plus 36 root 52, root 52. Now AC equals to, in this case, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. x2 minus x1 root 3 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square, 2 minus 3 whole square. x2 3 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square equals to 3 minus 2 is 1 and 2 minus 2 is minus 1, so equals to root 2. So AC, we will find AC is root 2 and this is root 52 and this is root 50. Now in this case we get AB square plus AC square equal BC square. AB means root 50. AB square is 50, AC square is 2 and BC square is 52. So 50 plus 2 equals to 52. So in this case we get AB square plus AC square equal BC square. It means Pythagoras theorem is applicable. So this triangle is a right angle triangle. So therefore we can say that ABC points ABC form a triangle, and which triangle? This triangle is a right angle triangle. Yes, our next example is, so that the points 1 7 4 2 minus 1 and minus 4 4 are the vertices of a square. आपको vertices of a square show करना है. तो vertices of square means we have to find side A, B, C, D. AB side, so we will find AB, then BC, then BC और CD, then AD. आपको 4 साइड्स AB, BC, CD एंड DA गिवन है, वो फाइंड करनी है. जैसे आप AB, BC, CD साइड फाइंड करेंगे तो आपको 4 साइड्स इक्वल मिलेगी, AB, BC, CD, AD. All sides are equal, but all sides are equal means it becomes also a rhombus. rhombus भी हो सकता है, rhombus के अंदर भी all sides क्या होती है, इक्वल होती है. तो rhombus और स्क्वायर में क्या डिफरेंस होता है? इन स्क्वायर diagonals are equal, but in rhombus diagonals not equal. So we have to find diagonals also. Diagonals means AC. तो distance between AC फाइंड करेंगे आप, distance between BD फाइंड करेंगे आप. AC और BD जब आप फाइंड करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा कि AC इक्वल BD. AC इक्वल BD. The diagonals are equal. It means this is a square, not a rhombus. और rhombus अगर आपको प्रूफ करना हो तो आपको diagonals not equal मिलेंगे. तो that is when diagonals are not equal, then it is rhombus, and when diagonals are equal, it means this is square. Now next थर्ड एग्जाम्पल ऑन डायग्राम है, ग्राफ पेपर पे है, तो आप उसको इजीली कर सकते हैं. फोर्थ एग्जाम्पल में फाइंड रिलेशन बिटवीन एक्स एंड वाई. फाइंड a relation between x and y such that the points xy is equidistant from 7 1 and 3 5. P point, let P point is xy and Q point is 7 1 and R point is 3 5, and given is PQ equals to PR. P is equidistance from Q and R. So we will find PQ. Given that PQ equals to PR, so PQ square is also PR square. PQ square is by distance formula 7 minus x whole square plus 1 minus y whole square equals to PR square, that is 3 minus x whole square, x2 minus x1, or plus 5 minus y whole square, 5 minus y whole square. I already squared both sides. PQ square equals to PR square. So 7 minus x equals to, by identity, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, 1 minus y whole square is 1 minus 2y plus y square equal 3 minus x square, a minus b whole square, identity 9 minus a square 6x plus x square, and 5 minus y 25 minus 10y plus y square. Now we have to find relation between x and y. It means equation between x and y. X square cancel, y square cancel. So transfer minus 6 and minus 10 right side, left side, and 49 and 1 in right side. Therefore minus 14x this is, and minus 2y, and minus 6 after transferring plus 6x, and minus 10y after transferring plus 10y equals to 9 plus 25, and after transferring 49 and 1, that is minus 49 minus 1. Here minus 14x plus 6x, that is minus 8x, minus 2y plus 10y, that is plus 8y, are equal 9 plus 25 34, or minus 50 minus 16. Then divide by minus 8, x minus y equals to 2. So this is a relation between x and y. This is the relation between x and y in forward. P is equidistance from Q and R. So now for this way you have, we will find relation between x and y according to given condition. Now last example 5. Find a point on the y-axis which is equidistant from the point 6 5 and minus 4 3. A is 6 5 and B is minus 4 3. And find the point on y-axis. On y-axis we know that abscissa is 0. On y-axis we know that abscissa is 0. So let a point P on y-axis is 0 y, and point A 6 5 and B minus 4 3. Minus 4 3 is here, B minus 4 3, and given that AP equals to BP. Given that AP equals to BP. So AP square is also equals to BP square. By distance formula AP. AP means 6 minus 0 square. 6 minus 0 square plus 5 minus y square equals to BP. BP means minus 4 minus 0 square, minus 4 minus 0 square, or plus 3 minus y square. 3 minus y square. Now simplify this and find the relation of point. 6 square 36. 5 minus y whole square, x minus y whole square, x square minus 2xy or plus y square equal minus 4 square is 16, and 3 minus y square, a minus y square by identity. So 3 square minus 6y or plus y square. Then y square to y square cancel, and 25 to 25 cancel. 6y equals 10y को ट्रांसफर कीजिए, 10y minus 6y, and here is 36. Therefore 4y equals to 36, means y equals to 9. So point is point 0y, let point 0y, so point P becomes 0 and 9. This is the point which is equidistance from A and B. So such type you can solve the exercise 7.1 by using distance formula. Thank you. And if you have any doubt, then write in comment. Okay. Good luck.